Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. So basically, today we are going to discuss about the lower time frame, analysis on the Bitcoin and the overall crypto market. Also, I'm going to give you one bonus today in the last or in the middle, but the bonus would be sushi. Perhaps basically sushi. I think it looks awesome for the long-term move. You can, I mean, where are we should looking for accumulation? I've been talking about sushi since long, and I gave a target we should be buying anything under 2.8 to 2.9. That is an absolute buy level for sushi. I've accumulated a hell lot of sushi over there on the spot backs, and so today we're talking about the Bitcoin and the market and what do I think about the Bitcoin. You can see the chart as well. Also, if you would like to trade with me, you can join Watch Wealth Group from their website. The link is mentioned in the details in the description. Also, if you would like to trade on the crypto, you can use my referral link from Bybit, and maybe you will be able to get a nice bonus. Minimum of $3,500. Terms and conditions apply, of course. Also, if you'd like to support me, please do like and subscribe this video and subscribe the channel and share it for sure, definitely. And follow me on the Twitter for regular updates. Okay, so let's go to the charts. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think BTC on the lower time frame, I think we are forming a very nice triangle kind of a structure at this levels. But what do I think that over here, this was the move where I was clearly mentioning that this is A, B, and C, and not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And people were looking for like, oh my God, we are pumping, going to 50,000. We shorted this move, and we literally got took profits at 36,000. We shorted here, we longed here at 36,500, and also we shorted these levels. We longed again at $34,000 levels because I do believe that BTC is now in accumulation phase. It's not a redistribution, to be honest. It's an accumulation. The accumulation will also have a capitulation, and I do think that these levels, for the BTC is very crucial and important for us to have that upside. I would not like BTC to lose the 31,755 levels, because if we lose that levels on the daily, it's like a checkmate for everything, and probably we will be heading down more. But I do think that it's going to hold. I mean, that's what the idea that I have it. On the lower term time frame, I do think that BTC is internally forming a very small triangle. I think the yellow path is going to follow mostly, and I do expect we dump to 38,264, accumulate till 40,380, and after that we go for a move down to 35,500, and max it can go to 35,000 or 34,800 levels. But I think that is the levels where it will hold. And one good thing that this is a very aggressive in a bullish count that I'm having it. I'm considering this was your wave 4, and this 5 waves that you are watching, the watching 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the clear 5 waves. This is not ABC. Whosoever I think things like an ABC, I don't know, but this is clear 5 waves. It perfectly goes with the degree of waves from the Fibonacci level perspective, and this 5 wave tells me that this might be a final 5th wave, the bigger 5th wave. So this is the bigger wave count: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we are right now, this may be, let's say even if this is A, B, and C and not wave 1, fine. But to me, it looks to me like this can be wave 1 here, and we are doing A, B, and C for the wave 2. And even if it's not like, let's say, wave 1 and this is not wave 5, I expect it to hold $35,000 levels and at least to pump it to your yearly open an equilibrium of 47,035, making a nice swing failure pattern like this, just a wick above those levels, and reject one more time. Basically, you have the one test once, because this was a very nice support. Earlier we used to have it like you see here, and it has been turned as a resistance, and we have tested once. We have tested second time, and now I think do expect it to test it one more time, and we hold 35.5. If you do reject from here, then you're going to get 5 waves, strict 5 waves, and that will be the full and final wave 5 for the BTC in my opinion. Okay, so right now BTC is in a no trade zone. How would you play it? let it close under 40,000, let the 4-hour candle close under the 40k levels, and you on the retest you reach short around 40,000 to 40,100, and your target would be 35.5, and maybe you should take profits a little bit early, like 35,600 or maybe 700, and then you should start building long positions from 35,700 to $35,000 levels. Your stop loss should be 34,000, not 34,300. Your stop loss should be 34,000 clearly, and your take profit targets would be the swing failure pattern of this highs, range highs that you have, like 45.9. I will be first targeting 46,900 and 47,200 levels. If we do reclaim the levels of 47,200 as a strong support, and we close 2 consecutive daily above those levels, even we close the weekly above those levels, I think we are bottom, and this was your bottom, and we then will be straight pumping back to the near all-time highs, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, remember, wave 5 in my opinion would be very quick. It won't have an accumulation like this and pump. It will be very quick. It just go like this, you know. It won't give you a chance to enter. Basically, it's just going to be very quick, and it's just going to pump very fast and finish the whole final move for the BTC. Looking to the USD dominance for the confirmation, USD dominance is at a very crucial support, and BTC is at a very big resistance, the yellow line what you're seeing. So I think USD dominance holds here and starts pumping back up and finish its final move, where USD dominance makes higher highs, but BTC don't make lower lows. It makes higher lows, make it a very bullish scenario and a very nice bullish divergence. Also, this is also an indication that alts will have some bad time. Trust me, alts are going to have a very big setback. So if you are just FOMOing in alts, I think you should be slightly cautious of the fact that you should not FOMO alts at these levels. These are the take profit zones for the alts. 1280 to 1270 is your Bitcoin dominance perpetual long zone, and your take profit targets would be around 1350 to 1380 levels, and that would be a most likely top for me for BTC dominance, perhaps on the Binance, and then the alt season starts. Okay, now this is a small update on the BTC. Let's talk about the Sushi. I think Sushi looks very great, and it's formed a WXY move here, formed like a very nice falling wedge, holding the 0.8 at 6 Fibonacci levels, makes it a very nice and risk reward play on the higher time frame move. So I think Sushi looks great. You should be acclimating at 2.7 to 2.8, whatever you can get it, and I think it's going to pump very hard. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.